Este es el estanque de los lotos, pero sin lotos. Los lotos son las piedras. Y bueno, y hay un pabellón. Y vamos a ir a ver la piedra de Ashmi.
When the owner went back home, coming through the stone forest, the terrain makes a big flood to join the whole stone forest. And in the flood, Asma and Ahmed separated. And in the flood, Asma turns to be a rock. And Ahmed struggled against the flood for one day and one night. The next day, when they reached the bank, turned back to see the stone forest drowned by the flood, and Asma invisible. So he sadly calls the name Asma to the flood, and the flood is threatened and receded. When the stone forest appears again, Ahe enters the stone forest, calling Asma, and never being out of the stone forest. And Ahe becomes echoes around the stone forest, calling Asma. And the story was put into a music movie early in 1964 and it became popular in China. So when Chinese people come to Stone Forest, everybody knows this is a famous home of Asma. This is also a special tour to see the legend girl Asma. So today you are Asma and you are me, Ahe.